met you by the pierside gate with a grin and a paper crown. You had sparks in your coat pocket and a cat on a ribbon round. You said, come on, follow me, past the eel slick cobbled lane, past the bins and bakery ovens where the night began to rain. 1, 2, 3, now turn. Hearts up, boots on stone. The whole town heard that purr rolling down the road. The fireworks purr parade. The fireworks purr parade. Clap your hands, come close. Let that bright thing blaze. The fireworks purr parade. The fireworks purr parade. Tail high, tongue aflame, we all sing your name. Maggie spun a silver shawl, Patty beat the kettle drum. Old Nan laughed through foxglove smoke, and the baker thumped his thumb. Every window threw us color, every doorstep got in line. Even old Tom with the broken shoe wore a smile like a sign. 1, 2, 3, now turn. Hear the floorboards moan. The whole town learned to purr as the wheel kept rolling on. The fireworks purr parade. The fireworks purr parade. Clap your hands, come close. Let that bright thing blaze. The fireworks purr parade. The fireworks purr parade. Tail high, tongue aflame, we all sing your name. Hold up the lantern, love, spin that golden thread. If the sky goes quiet, we make our